Hello, today we are talking about one of the most important concepts in the finance. It's the cost of equity. In simple words, what is the cost of equity? It's the return that the shareholders expect from investing in a company. And in this video, we'll quickly calculate it using the dividend discount model, which is also known as DDM. So I have this example. So quickly, let's dive in and see how it works. Let's suppose in there we have the D0. It's that paid a dividend of this year rupees, which is 5, and D1 is not given. So to find that D1, we have to D0 multiply by 1 plus our G, which is the growth rate. So quickly adding the values, D0 is 5. Okay, so the price of share is 50 and the G is our 0.06. So D1 is equal to our here value multiply by our 1 plus, and you can add this. Yes, 5.106. It's our D1. Now this is the formula for the cost of equity. So just now put the values here. Our D1, it's here, divided by our P plus our growth rate, it's here. So it's 16.1% is our 16.12. It's our the cost of equity of this whatever it could be, the project. So hopefully you have understood it, and in the next video we will find out using the CAPM, capital asset pricing model. Have a good day. Bye.